Good morning, sir. My name is Sandeep Kumar Shani. Today I am going to share a seminar presentation on a solar plane. Solar plane. Solar plane is the one which collects energy from the sun by means of a photovoltaic cell. I have included following contents in this presentation. Introduction, basic concept, solar irradiance, solar cell, maximum power point tracker, energy storage, electric motor, aerodynamics of a wing, propeller, advantage and disadvantage, and conclusion. Introduction. As we know, the sun sends the energy on the earth, which is 35,000 times more than we currently produce and consume. We can use this energy for a practical purpose. To give the power to aircraft, the energy may be used to drive the electric motor. Our basic principle is use solar power by means of aircraft, and this thing can be done by solar panels which covers the whole surface of a wing. During the night, the only energy available comes from the battery. History of solar powered vehicles. There are two types of solar powered airplanes as follows: unmanned solar power airplanes, which are divided into three categories: Sunrise, SolarEdge, Solar Excel. Second is manned solar airplanes, which are divided into four categories: Solar Riser, Solar Challenger, Helinet, Solar Impulse, and Solar Impulse 2. Principle of operation. The wings of airplane are covered by a definite surface area. Solar panels collect the solar radiation and convert into electrical energy, which is used to charge battery which drives the electrical motor. Propeller is mounted on the shaft to produce the thrust continuously. Solar irradiance. It is the measure of power per unit area on the Earth's surface produced by sun. Solar cells. Solar cell is a device that converts solar energy into electricity by the photovoltaic effect. It is very widely used in space application because it allows a clean and long duration source of energy requiring almost no maintenance. Current and voltage of solar cell. When cell pads are not connected or short-circuited, the voltage will be zero. Current of a solar cell is proportional to its area and varies almost linearly with the light intensity. Maximum power point tracker. Maximum power point tracker is basically DC converter with variable and adjustable gain between the input and output voltage. Here input is solar panels and output is the battery. It contains electronics that monitors both the current and voltage on each side. Power storage. Power storage is used to store the power generated by the solar panels. When the energy production is not constant and continuous, a good energy storage method is necessary. There is different way to store the power: chemical, electrochemical, electrical, mechanical, and thermal. In the case of solar airplane, gravimetric energy density, also called specific energy, the peak power are the most crucial parameter that determine the choice of the energy storage method. Electrochemical batteries. These are energy storage devices which are able to convert chemically stored energy into electrical energy during discharging. When all the elements are in contact with each other, a flow of electron is produced. Electric motor. Electric motor uses electric energy to produce mechanical energy. There are a large variety of electric motors according to supply sources, size, torque, speed depending on the application. In present case, direct current motor will be used as solar panel in design to run on DC electric power supplied by a battery. These are the following advantages of the DC motor. It is very precise speed control, high efficiency, reliability with longer lifetime. Their power to weight ratio is exponentially high. Aerodynamics of wings. The design and analysis of wings of aircraft is principal application of science of aerodynamics. When a plane leaves the ground, the following forces acting on that: thrust, drag, weight, lift. Lift maintains the airplane, compensating the weight, the drag that is compensated by the thrust of the propeller. Concept of lift. The airflow meeting the leading edge of the object is forced to spit under the object. Due to the pressure gradient and viscosity of the fluid, the flow over the object is accelerated down along the upper surface of the object. Aerofoil. Aerofoil is any surface which producing more lift than drag when passing through the air at suitable angle. Aerofoil type. There is two types of aerofoil: symmetrical and non-symmetrical. Symmetrical aerofoil having identical upper and lower surface, where non-symmetrical airfoil have different upper and lower surface with a greater curvature of aerofoil above the chord line than below and have mean camber and chord line are different. Propeller. Propeller is a device consisting of a set of two or more twisted aerofoil shaped blades. The blades are mounted around a shaft and spun to provide propulsion of a vehicle through the fluid. The following conclusion of this presentation. It has the advantage and very versatile and usable for less than 1 meter wingspan to manned airplanes. The design methodology consists of simple 5 parameters linked to the design the airplane, and they are as follows: solar cell, energy storage, electric motor, aerodynamic of wings, propeller. References. To make this presentation, I have taken some references from Google. The link are given here. Thank you, sir.